Right, the example 5 says, a utility company burns coal to generate electricity. The cost of removing a certain percent of the pollutants from the smokestack emissions is typically not a linear function. That is, it costs C dollars to remove 25% of the pollutants. It would cost 2C, double, to remove 50%. As the percent of removed pollutants approaches 100%, the cost tends to become prohibitive. Suppose that the cost C in dollars of removing P percent of the smokestack pollutants is given by this rational function. Okay, what is this 0 less than or equal to P less than or equal to 100 telling us? It's the domain, right? It's giving us the values that we can plug in for P. So notice that it does not include 100. Why not? Yeah, you'd be dividing by 0, right? That's a 0 of the denominator. So they can't put in the 100, but it's like everything up to that point. Okay, sketch the graph of the function. So look, we could just put it in the calculator. $8,000p, clear. 8,000 x divided by 100 minus x. That's wrong, because I don't have parentheses. Okay, and then I got to set my window, right? I know that it needs to go from 0 to 100. Okay, I'm not sure what it's going to do, like how big is this going to get. So what I would do to see, we know it's going to, the cost is going to go up the more that you take out. It can never get to 100, so why don't we try, what's the value of this function at x equals 99? Somebody try 8,000 times 99 and then divide it by 1. So 8,000 times 99. Yeah. Is it 80,000? Oh, okay, so it's a typo. Easy fix. I'll put in another 0 there. It should have been an 80,000. So when I go back here, yeah. So let me do an insert, second insert, put another 0. That's good. 7,920,000. Okay, let's try, we don't want to make it so big that we can't see anything. What would happen if we just made it 1 million? The min is 0. The max, let's say it's 1 million. Is that too many zeros? Yeah, that's good. Okay, so you see the graph. You know, as you get close to that asymptote, it veers off towards infinity. You're never going to get to that 100 because that would be a divide by 0. So it says, suppose you're a member of a state legislature that's considering a law that would require utility companies to remove 90% of the pollutants from their smokestack emissions. If the current law is 85%, how much additional cost would there be to the utility company because of the new law? So what would they be asking us to do? Just do this. Do C of 90 minus C of 85. And yeah, you could, if you got it in the calculator already, you could just, you know, read it off of there. I could go like this. Watch this. Second table set. Let me set my table set to ask. Right? And then I'll go second table, and I'll do 90, 720,000, and I'll do 85, 453,333. Subtract. That's how much additional money it's going to cost for that next 5%. So I'm sure they've already got it here. That's 266 $266,000. 667. Okay, that's a lot of money for this next 5%, which is not even like getting everything out. Would you really choose to spend it or not? I'm not sure.